doing amazing. You are amazing. 1 more minute of this second round. Before we'll take that deep breath in and hold on empty lungs and empty mind for 45 seconds. So last 30 seconds, give it everything you've got. Remember, it's called breath work for a reason. And just as within life, the more you put in, the more you get out. And it's by doing the difficult thing today that you get to have an easier life tomorrow. To your feet, to each of your toes.